In this video, I am going to show you a very interesting hemiparasitic shrub which grow on the stems of other trees and for many years has been utilized in the adjuvant cancer therapy and very romantic and parasitic and poisonous plant and widely studied for the chem therapies for cancers. I will give information on its brief taxonomic description, distribution and habitats, and important uses, medicinal uses especially. Viscum album, Viscum album is a hemiparasitic shrub which grows on the stems and crowns. Crowns means the upper canopy of the trees, crowns of the other broad-leaved, especially broad-leaved trees. It grows. It loves the broad-leaved trees, and especially apple, lime, oak, and poplar trees. And from which it draws water and nutrients because it possesses, it contains haustoriums. Later I will describe. And it is a species of Mistletoe in the family Loranthaceae, commonly known as the European Mistletoe, common Mistletoe, or simply Mistletoe. It is a native to Europe as well as Western and Southern Asia. But Viscum album rarely found in the North America. Here it is as introduced species. By habit, it is a hemiparasitic, means semi-parasitic type straw, which grows on the stems of other trees, oak, and different. It uh, grows on the different horse, like I already told you, lime, oak, poplar trees, and the plant contains haustorium that connects it to the host tree by connecting the xylem and phloem tissue of the mistletoe to that of the host tree, which allow it to receive the nutrients and water, and it possesses the stems of the shrub around 30 to 100 centimeter long, with dichotomous branching is the special characteristic feature of this plant, and the leaves are in opposite pattern, opposite pairs, you can say, and stress shaped, entire, leathery in texture, very soft and delicate. You see, you can see in this video, and 2 to 8 centimeter long and 8 to 0.8 to 2.5 centimeter broad, and yellowish green in color mostly. And this species is the flower is yellowish and small, 2 to 8 long, and this is dioecious and insect pollinated mostly, and flowers are yellowish green, around 2 to 3 in diameter, and fruit is white or yellow, very differs on the different subspecies, and containing one seed embedded in the very sticky and glutinous fruit pulp. Several subspecies are accepted, and they differ in the fruit color, leaf shape, and size, and obviously in the host trees where it is found to occur. And Viscum album subspecies, itis mostly occur in the Central Europe, and fruit is here is the white. And Viscum album subspecies album mostly occur is another subspecies the Europe and Southeast Asia to Nepal. This is species. And Viscum album subspecies austricum mostly in the occur in the Central Europe, and Viscum album subspecies meridian in the Southeast Asia. And here is the fruit is yellow. And Viscum album um, subspecies coloratum is treated. It is treated by the plastics of the China as a distinct species, and the modern botanist believed um, and described Mistletoe species in the oak trees um, was Loranthus europaeus. Regarding its distribution and habitat, it is commonly found in the crowns of the broad-leaved trees, particularly apple, lime, and oak trees. And its the distribution range from the tropics to the temperate zones. It is found to occur, and important uses for many years. Viscum album has been utilized in the adjuvant cancer therapy. It activates the immune systems, improve immune system of the body. And Mistletoe, you can say the most romantic, parasitic, and poisonous on the basis of the very fruit it possesses. And fruits are poisonous, considered poisonous to humans, seriously poisonous, you can say. And people may become ill from only from eating berries, or I mean fruits of this survey plants. And the toxic lectin viscumin isolated from the viscum album fruits. This is a very poisonous. And and fruit is mostly this plant by it is a habit of the hemiparasitic, and mostly prefers to grow on the broadleaf trees. So it is a romantic type of, you can say, the romantic habit, and because it prefers to grow on the broadleaf trees. And mm, poisonous fruits contains poisonous, the berries are very poisonous. So avoid to contact of the babies and young children's. And Mistletoe is mostly widely studied and species, and as a chem therapies for the cancer. Chem means the complementary alternative medicines therapies it is used. And in certain European countries, the preparations made from the European Mistletoe, Viscum albums, um, and it is the most prescribed drug offered to cancer patients. However, some side effects from the use of this Mistletoe uh, includes the soreness, means painfulness, or inflammation at the injection sites, and headache, fever, and feeling of tiredness in the patients. विस्कम एल्बम लोरेंथेसी परिवार में मिसलेटो मिस्टलेटो की एक प्रजाति है, जिसे आमतौर पर यूरोपीय मिस्टलेटो, सामान्य मिस्टलेटो या वस मिस्टलेटो के रूप में जाना जाता है। यह यूरोप के साथ साथ पश्चिमी और दक्षिणी एशिया का मूल निवासी पौधा है जो कि मैंने पहले बताया इसमें अंग्रेजी के डिस्क्रिप्शन में कि यह एक हेमिपेरेसिटिक मतलब अर्ध परजीवी है, मतलब वो पूरी तरह से दूसरे पौधे पे डिपेंड नहीं रहता है, क्योंकि उसकी पत्तियां ग्रीनिश होती हैं, तो कुछ वो फूड्स बना ले अपने लिए भोजन बना लेता है, फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस है और वो आधा जो है वो दूसरे पौधे पे होता है कि जमीन से वो जुड़ा नहीं होता है, बल्कि दूसरे प्लांट्स के कैनोपी यानी कि उसके मतलब तने पे या तो क्या कहते हैं उसकी शाखाओं पे ये ग्रो करता है। और हल्का सा येलोइश ग्रीनिश येलोइश होता है, और इसमें अलग-अलग सब स्पीशीज़ में जैसे मैंने बताया कि इसके फ्रूट्स और क्या होते हैं पत्ती के साइज़ और शेप के अनुसार इसकी सब स्पीशीज़ दी गई हैं, जो कि 5-7 ये सब स्पीशीज़ हैं। और यह उत्तरी अमेरिका में प्रचलित प्रजाति के रूप में बहुत कम पाया जाता है, यानी कि वहाँ पे ये ज़्यादा डोमेन नहीं है, ये वहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया है या इंट्रोड्यूस फॉर्म में मिलता है। विस्कम एल्बम पेड़ों की कई